Hey guys, you're watching Nestle TV. I'm Vanessa Duo, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for more videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day, pregnancy edition. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Start off on our omelet, we're going to need some baby spinach, a full small onion, 2 eggs, and cheese of your choice. A bowl and a whisk. So I'm just going to crack the egg inside the bowl. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of water just to make the egg more fluffy, and I'm just going to whisk it up. I am going to dice my onions as small as I can, really. I don't want them too big in my omelet. For my baby spinach, I am using pre-washed, but I did rinse them again, but that's totally up to you if you want to do that or not. So I'm just going to chop them up. I heated up my pan in medium to high heat. I'm just going to use some olive oil to saute my onions and spinach. To add a little bit of adobo to that mixture while it cooks. And I'm not cooking it for very long. I'm not waiting till it's like golden brown. I'm just lightly cooking it. After I'm satisfied, I'm going to set it aside. I cleared off my pan, and now I'm going to use some margarine to cook my egg so that it doesn't stick to the pan. And right now it's on high heat, but I will lower it before I put that egg in. I'm going to whisk it up a little bit more. And once again, this is on medium to low heat. Here I'm just evenly distributing it across the whole pan, and you will know that it's starting to cook once it starts to bubble up. I'm also adding some butter in the corners so that it doesn't stick. And yeah, so you're just looking for it to bubble and for it not to be wet on top. My stove is on medium-low heat, guys, so this is like cooking really slow. You don't want it to cook too fast like you're frying an egg. And now that I see that the top is dry, I am going to put my spinach and onion mixture to half of my egg. You also want to make sure that before you put that spinach on there, it's not wet or dripping, because it's just going to make a mess of your omelet. So now I'm just going to add some cheese to the other half of my omelet and a little bit on top. And I'm using triple cheddar. Again, you can use whatever cheese you want, just as long as it's like grated cheese. I'm going to take a spatula and fold that cheese end over the top of my spinach. To ensure that my egg is fully cooked on the inside, I'm going to cover it for about a minute or two. And then after that, my egg is done. So I'm just gonna fry up some turkey bacon for my side, and I'm just gonna fry it until it's like golden brown, a little bit crispy. To top off my omelet, I'm using some black pepper. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top, and I'm also going to use a little bit of salt to also sprinkle up on top for some more taste. This particular morning, I just really wanted some strawberries on the side, so I'm just gonna wash them and chop them up. Here I made some hot tea, some hot Kenyan tea, and I'm just gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, I like my tea very sweet, but also because I'm adding some lemon juice to it. I'm just gonna add about that much. And there you have it. Breakfast is done. You've got a whole lot of components here. Protein, iron, vitamin C. It's amazing. About 2 hours later, I still wasn't that hungry because of the huge breakfast I had. So I decided to have a boost. This nutritional drink is loaded with protein, calories, and essential vitamins and minerals. I love the strawberry flavor. This particular day, my family decided that they wanted to have an all-meat pizza for lunch. All well and good, but I'm just gonna down that with some cranberry juice. And here I am showing you guys the vitamins that I take daily. This is my prenatal vitamin that I take 3 times a day. I took it for breakfast, and now I'm taking it for lunch. And I take it with each meal. It's vegan. You can get it from Whole Foods or Amazon, and everything will be down in the description box below. And To help support baby's brain development, I take a prenatal DHA daily, so I take 2 of them, and then I take an iron supplement that was prescribed by my doctor to boost my iron because I'm highly anemic. I take that with water, and throughout the day I really try to drink as much water as I can. For dinner, I will be having some roasted garlic mashed potatoes with some cheese on top and some candied kielbasa and a nice fruit smoothie. I will be showing you guys exactly how I made all of these nice components, and these are the ingredients that you will need. You will need some instant mashed potatoes, anything of your choice, some butter, some cheese, I'm using triple cheddar, some kielbasa, basically sausage, and barbecue sauce, and some, I'm using black currant. My Kenyans are going to laugh at me, but this is some concentrated juice. You can use grape jelly as well. And now I'm just going to put some olive oil again in my pan, and I'm just going to fry up my kielbasa. Just brown them on each side, make sure they're cooked thoroughly. So now that my kielbasa is cooked, I am going to add my barbecue sauce right on top, and it's just gonna simmer. So I have this on simmer, and then I'm going to add my concentrated juice. I am using a Ribena. Yes, I know, funny, but it works. You can substitute it with grape jelly. It works just the same. I kind of wish I added a little bit more so that there would be more sauce, but it still came out perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that simmer for about a minute and it will be done. For my smoothie, I will be using a banana berry frozen fruit medley and some blueberry yogurt. I am going to blend the two, and I will be adding just a little bit of lemon juice because I like that tangy sweet taste. Dinner is all done. I am just going to top off my mashed potatoes with some cheese for that extra taste, and my kielbasa. Oh my goodness, when I tell you, savory, sweet. That kielbasa, candied kielbasa, is amazing. You guys have to try it. If you do try it, please let me know what you think in the description box down below. This recipe is simple, quick, and loads of nutrition. And then we have my good fruit smoothie. That's it for this video. I have showed you 3 simple, amazing meals loaded with all the good nutritional components. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.